Okay, so having realized how ludicrous that extra step was, I'm finished with that, and you can see some of the results. See the black, bubbly stuff there, and yeah, so kind of reminded me of silly string. It's a lot of fun, and so I've sprayed it in here, and really these parts here in these corners were the important part, because that's where I get leakage. But when I sprayed it on top of that Quickcrete that you saw there, I created a really nice cloud of dust. And currently one of my main challenges in my real job, trying to build spaceships for humans, and we're trying to go back to the moon, and I'm trying to come up with a strategy for lunar dust mitigation. So I didn't need all of this. It wasn't really in the requirements. This was more what I was going for. This side and this side here, those were the key areas that I thought this would be needed on. But the cloud of dust was kind of irritating when it got in my eyes and nose, and so I stopped there, and I sprayed over here, and I sprayed over here and put this layer down here and in between, and when I stopped, it was nice and level, but this stuff continues to expand, and so now it's coming out, and I started to do the same thing over there when I realized that my original plan, remember my original plan? My original plan is, and what this project is all about, is putting another liner on top of here, and I'm gonna try and put it here and figure out a way to kind of fold it over here, build these bricks up so that it's about the same height. And so when I do that, of course, that liner is going to be inside this wall, which means there's no way it's going to sneak out underneath those bricks, because there's going to be a 42 mil liner right in front of that. And so here's an important tip to the normal DIY person who knows what they're doing. This looks like wasted material and labor, and now that I've filmed it and talked about it for way too long, it's a waste of everybody's time. But to the bright minds here at Plan B Engineering, this, and I've mentioned this before, is what we call we've changed this now from a 1 fault tolerant system to a 2 fault tolerant system. What may appear to the average DIY person who knows what they're doing as a wasted effort is now proudly proclaimed a feature of the Plan B pond refurbishment and repair design. So I'm probably going to have to trim that top part. No, maybe I'll just smash a brick on top of it. Anyway, so we got that going for us.